Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Number one. Flashlight. Flashlight. I don't like that angle. I just don't like it. That's better, huh? That's way better. Okay, so this is the TEMU knockoff clone of the Work Pro work light. So magnetic base, magnetic back, rotatable. Okay, splando, magnetic. Okay, might have to throw a light on there. Might be this one. Just might after this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there when I'm done. Okay, so here's your light. Sorry, I got distracted. Light in the front, just one mode. Then it switches to the cob. Then it's off. There's no UV or any of that crazy jazz. There is your charging port, USB-C. But this thing was like $5, guys. Magnetic base for the $5 holla on TEMU. So, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over now.